Hello and welcome back to a new episode of Spice and Easy Kitchen. Today's recipe is a dish that we will prepare in the oven and it turns out budget-friendly and very tasty. We will bake it and it comes out delicious and affordable. I am going to take a large bowl like this and pour in 130 milliliters. This is 130 milliliters of cooking cream. The pack contains 200 milliliters, so I pour half and add a little more. So it becomes 130 milliliters, and then I add the eggs. Then I mix everything like this. I add a small spoon of dried parsley and a small spoon of garlic powder. If you have fresh garlic, just use whatever you have available. Then I mix it again like this. I take a cake mold that opens from the sides, or any mold you have, and I line it. I line the bottom and the sides with paper, and now I take the bread circles. These are the Parisian bread circles we usually have left, and I will show you the method. If you don't have Parisian bread, you can use regular bread, and I'll show you how. The important thing is to place a layer of bread dipped in the egg mixture like this. We continue arranging until we cover everything. We cover the mold completely, then I add some mozzarella or any cheese you have. Use any cheese that is available. Here I have 150 grams of chicken cut into small pieces. I sauteed it with onion, red pepper, black pepper, and salt. I also added proven herbs. You can use tuna, smoked meat, cold cuts, or even only vegetables with cheese. Use the filling you prefer. The method always works. I am just giving you the idea, and you can fill it however you like. Now I add another layer of bread dipped in the cream mixture. If there are gaps between the bread pieces, dip a small piece and fill the empty spaces. Cut small pieces and use them to fill the sides that remain empty. Try this dish. It turns out very tasty, and even your kids will love it. You can make it without meat, just with sauteed onions and peppers. Or you can add tuna. Use whatever suits you best. Whoever likes vegetables can use spinach or onions and peppers. As I told you, onions and peppers also work well. Now I add the cheese. Just a light sprinkle over the top. Then I add another layer of the chicken mixture. This is the chicken pieces. and I spread it evenly across the sides. We bake it at 200 degrees for 30 minutes. Then I show you the final result. And I will show you the method for cutting homemade bread. This is how you cut it if you don't have baguette or Parisian bread. If you have homemade bread, cut it like this. Cut it in this shape. Then slice it like this. Dip it in the cream and egg mixture the same way I showed you. Arrange it the same way, and you get the same result and the same delicious taste. Try this method. You will love it. Here is the final look of the dish made with bread. It comes out wonderful and delicious. As I said, the filling can be vegetarian, or you can add meat. Any version works well, and the recipe always comes out great. I hope you enjoy today's recipe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell to get all new recipes. Now I'll cut it and show you how it looks. As you can see, it looks delicious and amazing. I hope you like it and see you in the next video with my best wishes. See you in the next video.